Put Nashasi Ravi, we're moving now.
Yeah,
I think we're moving.
Live on Facebook. We are on live on Facebook and Instagram, and I'm going to ask you two questions. That is, what is your dream wedding jewelry like, and how did you find timestamp at 2017?
How did they find it here?
Yes. These two questions, and then a small shout out to all your.
There, Sumit's here. We begin.
Ready? Yeah, let's start. एक मिनट आप इधर आइए. Start.
तो वाली अलग-अलग ज्वेलरी एग्जीबिशन देखी आपने, कितना एंजॉय किया और कितनी खरीदारी की यहाँ से?
मुझे गिफ्ट्स मिले हैं थोड़े. अभी मैं जाकर खोलूंगी घर पे क्या गिफ्ट मिला है. पर बहुत अच्छी एक्सक्विजिट ज्वेलरी है जो स्पेशली फॉर ओकेजन, स्पेशल ओकेजन्स लाइक वेडिंग एंड like those big occasions and Diwali and all of those places where you can wear heavy jewelry. वैसी collection देखी है. It's very pretty, very nice.
So how jewelry lover are you?
I love wearing delicate jewelry, which is very like thin and delicate and very like feminine and girly and not too heavy. But depending on the occasion, sometimes those chokers and all also look nice. But I like more like thin and very like delicate jewelry. That's what I like personally.
Do you have any prestigious jewelry or diamond which really goes with your heart? You like to say?
I mean, I don't own much of jewelry because but whatever that I have is being gifted to me by my parents. So all the stuff that they've given me, whether it's earrings or a thin necklace, a very thin gold chain and all with a cute little diamond in the center and all, that all is precious to me.
So if you want to gift anyone any jewelry,
Yeah.
whom you want to gift, like jewelry lover?
Who's a jewelry lover? Like what? My
In your
family or
my family in the industry, so I don't know who I'd like to give jewelry to. But
Vidya Balan.
an actor?
Rekha maybe. But she has such exquisite jewelry. Actually, Shanu, who's my casting director, she's a very good friend of mine and she loves jewelry. So maybe her.
What importance which you have to see when you go to buy a jewelry or diamond? What attracts you when you buy any diamond? The one with
Diamond only attracts me.
like qualities or design?
Simple designs, very like delicate simple designs.
वाली also जानना चाहेंगे कोई एक ऐसी jewelry है जो सबसे पहले आपको किसी को मिली होगी, कभी मम्मी या किसी?
हाँ, और मैंने बहुत अच्छी तरह घुमा दी, ध्यान नहीं रखा. There are so many times they've got me earrings and little rings, but as kids you keep fiddling with it, and I've lost it so many times. But nevertheless, it's still precious that they got me something. But yeah,
One social question.
yeah.
ज्वेलरी हिंदी में ज्वेलरी डेड इन्वेस्टमेंट है मेरे हिसाब से. आदमी 2.5 लाख 5 लाख 20 लाख 50 लाख की ज्वेलरी लेता है और रख देता है किनारे जाके. असली और नकली अंतर नहीं पता चलता. मैं आपके सामने असली ज्वेलरी रखूंगा और नकली भी रखूंगा, आप अंतर नहीं कर पाएंगे. एक बार बॉम्बे हॉस्पिटल घूम कर आई, मेरा बच्चा वहीं एडमिट है. मैं इसी क्वेश्चन के लिए आया था. मेरा बच्चा एडमिट है, उसके स्पाइन में ट्यूमर है. डॉक्टर ने मुझे पैकेज दिया 5 लाख का. मैं अफोर्डेबल हूँ, बच्चे का इंश्योरेंस भी है. मैंने कहा ठीक है चलो कोई दिक्कत नहीं. जस्ट सोशल क्वेश्चन. लोग ज्वेलरी में इतना पैसा बर्बाद करते, वहाँ जाके देखिए कितने कम से कम हजारों लोग बैठे हैं बेचारे जिन पास पैसे नहीं है इलाज कराने के लिए. थोड़ा बहुत उस कॉस्ट के लिए भी आप लोग सोचिए. या 2 लाख 5 लाख 10 लाख की ज्वेलरी लेते हैं, कम से कम वहाँ जाके देखिए वहाँ कुछ गरीब को जरूरत है, अपने बच्चे के लिए मरा जा रहा है, उसका बच्चा मरा जा रहा है, कोई घर वाला मरा जा रहा है, उसके लिए कम से कम जाके ज्वेलरी खरीदने की बजाय वहाँ पैसे डोनेट करिए, वो ज़्यादा मायने रखता है.
I get the emotions.
और मैं आपको जस्ट मुझे बोलने दीजिए. Just a second. I don't want money, anything, but I want to leave this people as social cause. Just a second. See, everything I have ended is a
No, I mean it's sad that he's facing crisis and all. I don't know.
But it is just not related to jewelry, it's related to any luxury item. Basically the message which he wanted to give across is to
that
people who invest or spend money on maybe a wedding or maybe something which is frivolous or not needy based. They should do more social and more take care of sensitivity to what is happening.
Of the social side as well, basically.
Oh,
Yes, why me? I'd like to ask you.
I watched the first show of Befikre in Delhi. We were doing an event exhibition which is leading building material exhibition called Ace Tech, for which Shah Rukh Khan is the brand ambassador. So we saw, we probably at that point in time we basically were trying to trace whether she's from a lineage or she has, I don't think so. She has a family filmy background or something, or the support. जो फ्रेशनेस और जो वाइब्रेंसी और जो कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ वानी ने एक्ट किया, it didn't seem that it was her first movie and with a seasoned star, and she really flew with flying colors, and that kind of confidence is the confidence of youth. That is what today's generation is looking at. If you would have spoken this about 5 years back, तो heavy jewelry की बात करते कोई, कुंदन, जड़ाव, पोल्की, इन्होंने delicate jewelry की बात करी, working jewelry की बात करी, daily wear की बात करी. This shows that we wish to go with times. So if अगर आज कोई yesteryears के actress होती या कोई और model होता है, कोई और brand ambassador होता, उनकी thought process different होती in terms of jewelry. आप भी जानते हैं कैसे changes हो रही हैं preferences की. Today people are on the move fast. They would like to buy something which they can use and according to their personality. That is why Vani has been a delight, and we're really proud to associate with her, and we're grateful that she's taken so much time out, and I wish her all the success, and may she be the next superstar more than what she is today.
Thank you.
So Vani, how are you enjoying the 16-year celebration Glamour?
I just went through all the stores looking at different collections. It's beautiful. It's, you always keep these things in mind whenever you're planning to buy something or invest in jewelry. You always, like, I have my mental notes now, what, and where I can go and purchase jewelry from. It's amazing how everything is so exquisite and very different, unique in their own way. It's lovely, it's wonderful. I usually don't end up going to a lot of stores to purchase jewelry. It's not an everyday thing, but when you do, it's under one roof, and you have a variant collection available here, so you don't have to keep hopping from one store to the other. You have everything under one roof, which is quite practical for somebody who wants to purchase jewelry.
Ranveer Singh co-star has cut the beard and hair look after a long time. What do you think is he look in a clean shape, or he better in their beard look?
दोनों में अच्छा लगता है.
आपके नजरिए से?
मेरा नजरिया मैटर नहीं करता, वो कैरेक्टर मैटर करता है. I thought he looked really good in Befikre, clean shaven. Was he clean? Yeah, he was clean shaven. Yeah. I thought he looked really good, but he's also carrying off. He's very versatile with his, and I think he can pull off many looks.
आपका क्वेश्चन?
वानी, एक बात आपसे जानना चाहूँगी मैं एज ए सिटीजन. वानी, जम्मू कश्मीर में जो प्रिजनर्स हैं उनको 110 रुपए का राशन मिलता है, जबकि जो हमारे आर्मी ऑफिसर्स हैं उन्हें 97 रुपीज़ का खाना मिलता है. क्या एज ए सिटीजन आपको लगता है कि जो हमारे देश के आर्मी ऑफिसर हैं उनकी जो हालत हो रखी है फिलहाल वो प्रिजनर से भी बदतर हो रखी है, क्या लगता है आपको?
but as a citizen मैं कहीं किसी और प्लेटफॉर्म पे इसका जवाब देना चाहूँगी. Right now they've invited me for some other reason, and it'll be very insulting if I comment on something else and take this conversation to some other subject altogether. It's nicer that they've called me for a certain reason, and I should stick to it. You catch me somewhere else, I swear to God I'll answer your question, whatever it is. I just don't want to be rude. Sorry.
Vani recently tweeted about the teaser of जब Harry Met से.
Let's stick to the event.
Last Harry Met से किस तरह की केमिस्ट्री होने वाली है SRK और अनुष्का के बीच? आपने टीजर देखा, मैं ट्वीट भी किया.
हाँ, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा टीजर, and I'm hoping बहुत exciting chemistry होगी, बहुत fresh होगी. Both are wonderful. Like I love watching both of them on screen.
वानी, अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स जानना चाहिए, क्या प्रोजेक्ट कर रही हैं?
अभी there's no announcement तो मैं बता नहीं सकती, but hopefully soon I can make it, like the production house will make an announcement.
Anjali जी, आपका ये 16वां exhibition, how was the business last year, and what do you expect for this year? And secondly, how GST has affected your exhibition business?
Well, GST hasn't affected any business by the grace of God. Everything is going to get back to normal very soon. Those who have got affected, which I doubt, will definitely get back on track because, as you say, the show must go on. That's how it's going to be.
And how much business have you done last year?
वो नहीं बताते, वो हम पूछते नहीं, पर्सनल क्वेश्चन है। वो जाके स्टोर पे, वो जाके यहाँ पे एग्जिबिट करके फिर स्टोर
मतलब स्टोर में कुछ बढ़ोतरी, मतलब कंपेयर टू लास्ट एरिया में कुछ।
अभी शो आज शुरू हुआ है, अभी 1 घंटा हुआ है, हम संडे को बात कर सकते हैं इस बारे में।
लास्ट ईयर समझो आपने 1600 स्टॉल
सेम वो हमारी जगह लिमिटेड ही है। अगर ताज में करें तो लिमिटेड जगह ही है। लास्ट ईयर भी पैक था, इस साल भी पैक।
नंबर ऑफ स्टॉल्स
सेम।
Okay, Vani, we have our online audience out for you here. And they have some questions for you. So they want to know which is your dream wedding jewelry.
I think I'm not going to become a Christmas tree. I'll keep it very simple. Maybe. Yeah, you never know. Never say never. You know, I might just change my whole plan and get like fully like. And I love gold a lot. So gold is my favorite ornament.
Go-to jewelry.
Yeah, go-to jewelry. Yeah.
Okay. And when you say luxury, what would you define as luxury for you?
What, in terms of jewelry you're asking?
In general, what is luxury for you, or your luxury?
Things that you don't need but want and you can afford your wants, I think is luxury.
True that.
Very well said. So how was your experience at Times Glamour 2017 Taj Lands and Bandra? Could you just share your experience with us?
I just took an entire round of the entire, different stores and all which are here, and it's amazing. Like I said, everything is unique in its own way, and they have a very exquisite collection. And the fact that everything is under one roof, and one who's in the intent to purchase jewelry can just come here, and one need not just hop from one place to the other. Everything's here.
Anything that was eye-catching for you and something that
A lot
you
of
really
things.
loved?
A lot of things. There's some really cool rings and some nice earrings and all. Beautiful stuff.
Okay, can we get a small shout out for all your beautiful fans out there to come visit this exhibition at Taj Lands and Bandra from 14th to 16th of July?
You want me to do the whole thing? How about you say everything and I'm like, please come. Hi guys, I'm so happy that I can connect with you in some way, and I am here at Taj Lands End, visiting the 16th edition of
Times Glamour.
And it's amazing here, and I think you guys must come here. If anybody who's looking out for some amazing piece of jewelry, please be here. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Vani.
Thank you.
एक लास्ट इंडिपेंडेंस डे को 1 महीना रह गया, क्या कहना चाहिए?
Happy Independence Day! All of us.
Thank you.
मुझे बोलो उठना मत. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. बता दूं? पूछो.
एक